My name is Surya Krish. I am 14 years old studying in Dubai Gems American Academy. I have done a weather app project, which can show you what the weather is like in any single city you want. So these are all the cities you could choose from for now. This is the HTML. This is the HTML for the details and information posted on that site. And this is my CSS for the site. If we run it, this is what it looks like at the start. We'll choose Dubai for now, select city. This is the country, the current temperature, the humidity, and the wind speed. So if we go for London, for example, we can see country, Great Britain, current temperature 20.5 Celsius, humidity 69%, wind speed 1.54 kilometers per hour. And we can do Moscow in Russia. Look, Russia, current temperature, humidity, and wind speed. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope you learned about my